in the fire orange fucking G82. He's got his fucking chain on, you know what I'm saying? He's stunting on these folks, bro. See you guys, thank you. All right, fam, we are leaving the BMW chapter Fort Lauderdale car meet real quick. It is Mother's Day. And we're gonna meet up with Zhao real quick. We're gonna have 3 super sick G82s. Looks good. joys of owning a G82, guys. Alright fam, check it out. We at the underground spot real quick. They look so good next to each other. Damn. Got two beasts next to each other, guys. Forest green and fire orange. Okay.
Yeah, I have to fire this car, don't I?
He has port injection.
I have to fire this car.
I think so. He's louder backing up than you are driving. Got the full kit. Damn.
Your name again, bro? It's Robert.
He likes my car, bro.
Huge, bro.
Bro, look.
Bro, they just have infinite strains that gets retarded.
Iguana CS.
You have 10 things. I have to also go in on like.
Yo, this fire orange on fire orange M4 is actually from Canada. Imported with 50 miles to Miami somehow. Look at this thing, guys. Crazy.
And then I talked to him and I did West 95
Alright fam, what's good? Welcome back to Unlockable Character. We are at the Shell gas station. Let me put this thing into the loudest mode possible. Open up the valves. Go into M2. Oh yeah. I was gonna go to the gym, found a new one, but there was no parking and people had started to double park. Like, that's how bad the parking situation was, so not gonna do that for sure. Damn, this shit is so steep. We'll see how this goes. Thankfully no one's coming. Oh, crazy steep. The energy drink of choice today, guys. Bang Energy, any means orange. Okay, see what that do. A little mix with the Benjamin. Remember, rosin and resin only. A little bit of city driving in. Trying to get a little bit more life out of my tires, guys, so I have the tire pressure set at 38 in the front and 40 in the rear. The tires in the front are always about 10 to 15 degrees hotter than the tires in the back. Feels really nice. XHP I have torque limits per gear. So that means that in second and first, car won't really lose traction as much because it's not trying to put, you know, 900 plus Newton meters of torque to the ground. I think I have the limit around 700. That just introduces a lot of drivability to the car, especially around, you know, the town. That was a blinker. Sounds crazy on that first gear downshift. Hey brother, can you rev it? Does it have an exhaust?
Not like yours.
Okay, come on, but it's a V8. Yeah, you got 8 cylinders, I have 6 cylinders. It's a GoPro.
Okay, that's cool.
Yeah.
That's
Take it easy. Damn, I was trying to hear the SL550 real quick. That's funny. Just scooted out of there. The real reason I started talking to him so is the music wouldn't give me a copyright strike, guys. That's funny. I did want to hear the V8. Sounds crazy. That sounds so crazy. Sounds absolutely ridiculous. It's just absolutely, I can't even describe it, guys. The car just sounds special, you know. And with that, Cappy here, catch you next time. Let's go, guys.